The number of Americans who have mistakes on their credit reports is staggering. A 60 Minutes report exposed that most people cannot even correct the problems. CBS 2's Christine Sloan follows up.
Meg Pasternak says a mistake on her credit report nearly destroyed her credit.
We had to present so much documentation to say this wasn't ours, and then we still had to pay something to get rid of it.
Pasternak says it took months to resolve the problem.
You feel kind of helpless because they got you under the gun if you need to get a new car or a house or for anything.
Pasternak is not alone in her frustration. A new government study finds up to 40 million Americans have mistakes on their credit reports. But an investigation by Steve Croft on 60 Minutes finds most people get nowhere trying to correct an error. Ohio's Attorney General tells Croft that is a clear violation of a federal law.
The federal law says that if you believe that there is a mistake, you can go to them and they have an obligation to do a reasonable investigation. They're not doing a reasonable investigation.
End result, if we're successful, is a deletion of that record from your credit report.
The credit pros in Newark help people fight agencies like TransUnion and Experian.
All the information they receive from a customer, they translate it into a code. They don't forward the letter and the proof of payment to the creditor. They just forward the 3-digit code.
So the best way to protect yourself?
Go directly to the creditor rather than going to the credit bureau themselves.
Another good habit to get into, check your credit report periodically to make sure there are no changes. In Clark, New Jersey, Christine Sloan, CBS 2 News.
And like 60 Minutes, we were unable to get an actual person at the 3 credit reporting agencies. 60 Minutes was referred to the spokesperson for the agencies, who provided a statement citing an industry-sponsored survey that showed 95